Hi, my name is Anna McClure, and I am the Community Relations Coordinator for Laramie County Library System. I do the website and social media at the library, and I'm also the volunteer coordinator. Did you know that the library has about 200 volunteers? They amaze me with how often they would like to come in and volunteer their time to the library. They do everything from mowing the lawn all the way to helping customers in our book sale room. I've had the pleasure of creating the summer reading website every year since 2016. This year, our website is going to be a little different because our summer reading challenge is going virtual. So we're going to have you guys be able to log in, log your own reading. You'll be able to participate to earn point badges and earn tickets that you can enter into drawings for a ton of fun prizes. So head to our Facebook page at Laramie County Library or go to our website at laramiecountylibrary.org and look for the summer reading logo. And we hope you have a great time participating in the Summer Reading Challenge 2020.